One of the things that sets us apart from other distributors is the fact that we have a design service where we develop special parts for customers' applications. We have 3 qualified CAD engineers and also rapid prototyping facilities on site, which include 3D printing, 5-axis machining. This means we can get parts made quickly for design validation purposes. Special parts aren't the mainstay of our sales, but we find it helps customers have the reassurance that we can be with them when required on new projects. Just having that ability to be flexible and walk them through new projects we find is a big benefit for our customer base. If anybody would like to know more about how Harris & Silverdale can service their requirements, we welcome any inquiries by email or telephone.